Hi, my name is Leslie Miranda, and I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist and certified EMDR therapist practicing in Camarillo, California. Today, I want to talk a little bit about how you can know if your therapist is a good fit for you or what makes a good therapist. What should you look for? One of the things that's really interesting in all the studies they've done as far as the effectiveness of therapy and what can predict the effectiveness of therapy and the therapist. And what they've discovered is bottom line, it comes down to that sense of connection that the person coming into therapy feels with their therapist. So that is really interesting that of all the things that, could be presented, of all the techniques, bottom line is it's that connection, it's that relationship. So, it's very important that you feel connected to your therapist. Oftentimes, this is accomplished because your therapist is providing a supportive container, acceptance, positive regard, speaking to your strengths, really hearing you. So, that would be something to look for, whether you're feeling understood, seen, listened to, valued, all of those things, very important for the success of therapy. And it is a relationship, so those qualities can grow over time, but you might have a sense, within the first few sessions if your therapist is the right fit for you, or if you feel like you can plug in to what's happening in a way that helps you feel connected. It's also really important that a sense of hope can be created. And when you first come into therapy, you might not feel very hopeful, and that's okay. But it's almost like there's something that when you're there in that room and spending time with that therapist, that somehow there's some hope that gets inspired, or that even if you're just relying on the fact that they seem to be hopeful for you, that there's just something inspiring you that keeps you going. It's like you're following a star, that gets presented to you. So, those two qualities are really important, that sense of connection and that sense of hopefulness. Some therapists, like myself, will offer a 15-minute phone conversation, before you come into therapy. I'll chat with you, find out what your concerns are, what your needs might be, and then we can talk a little bit about whether, it seems like it would be a good fit. In my case, if it's not a good fit, I'll refer you somewhere, or we'll talk about some resources that might be a better fit. I really want you to walk away from that first conversation feeling like good, like you've gotten something from it. So either an appointment with me or we send you off in a direction that seems like it's going to be a really good fit for you. So those are some of the things to look for when you're thinking about who might be your therapist. I'd love to talk with you more about this. Please feel free to check out my website, Leslie Miranda, lmft.com, and certainly feel free to email me or comment on the video. Thank you for watching.